Hi, my name is Nick. I live in Hudson. And my age is 9. And some of you might know my video from Dan and Nick at bmx.com. You guys might see a couple of cool tricks and falling down.
See over here? Try doing a kickflip, Nick.
And
Let's get with the falling down now. Come on.
oh, that hurt. It was actually a real fall because the driveway's all bumpy. And my brother, you might know him because he lives in Westford, Mass. And hope you liked it. It was a good video. Bye.
P.S. Do not try this at home.